Welcome to Click to Pro with Inalegwu. One-click tech tutorial tech made easy for everyone. Now, just like I said in the last video, today I will be showing you how you can convert Word document to PDF using your WPS. There is an application called WPS on phones which is used to open Microsoft document, PowerPoint, and the rest of that, including Excel. So I'll be showing you how you can be able to convert directly using that application. So stay tuned and let's go. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also endeavor to share this YouTube channel with others if you want them to learn simple step-by-step on how to get a particular work accomplished. Okay, so let's go. Now I will open my WPS. Now, once I open my WPS, the next thing I will do is to try and open any document. Okay, to try to open any document. I think I have some document there. All right, let me use this letterhead. Okay, this is a Word document. I'm going to open it. All right. Okay, this is a letterhead. All right, the head is open. Now what do I do to convert it to PDF? This is a Word document. So if I'm asked to convert it to PDF, what the head is open. Now what do I do to convert it to PDF? This is a Word document. So if I'm asked to convert it to PDF, what exactly do I need to do? That's what I'm showing you. All you needed to do is to click on this tools. Right? After you click on tools, click on save as. Then choose the location you want to save the work to. You can use your phone or you can use my documents. All right, then type the file name you want it to be. Type the file name you want it to carry. Now in this case I'm going to use letterhead. Okay, then the next thing to do, under this docx, you click on that arrow, then select PDF. Click on that arrow, select PDF. As simple as that. All you needed to do now is to click export to PDF. Wait for it to export. That is all. And you click on it to view a PDF version. That is all. That been converted. As simple as that. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Click to Pro Inalegwu, a home where we teach you basic simple step by step. Even if you've learned it before.